Honestly, it's not funny in this place here. Even where to put your leg. It's a very big challenge here. Come. Center.
Small for you. Easy.
Let's go see your studio.
Small. Easy.
No wearing of shoes. Agatha, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Small. From the beginning of the road to the end, from one village to another. You spend 2 good hours from one village to another walking on mud in the same country and the same state. All the people from Ibaji, I hope you are not proud of the country Nigeria. My legs. Confirmation of what I'm saying. Yes, others.
No motion.
Yeah? Akachuku. Peace. It's good that people are meeting us.
Una surprise me, oh.
Then try. That place is for the.
Just go that way. You get one soldier and one lady.
Now you try pass today, oh. Eh? David, where don't reach Riverside?
Where has been no D man? Why do none now?
But this is one of their main source of income. It's everywhere here.